This is a very unusual thing and I feel very uncomfortable. I'm not used to this. What's going on here? I thought to myself, maybe we're doing something different today. For people that follow me along since a very long time, you know that I dabbled in making videos. So I thought, why not kick myself in the butt and just do another one? And this time it's a very stupid one. Very stupid one. You already know what this video is going to be about. Because you're smart. And you're loyal.
I appreciate that.
Memes aside, as many of you know, I dye my hair a lot. And I love it. And I love doing it. And I thought to myself, what's the only color I never wore? I wore yellow, I wore green, blue, purple, pink, red, turquoise, purple, blonde, black, even a rainbow. But what I never tried is having gray hair. I recently turned 25, so I have to prepare myself to be very old very soon. So I thought to myself, I should try it out. So I dyed my hair gray. But as you can see, it's not really gray. It's like having a greenish tint. And honestly, I don't like that. So I went to trusty Google and typed in what to do against green hair if you want it gray. And from all the solutions I thought I would get, like taking a red toner and putting that in your hair for 20 minutes in to mute out the green, I found this. Yes, the title of the video. I will put ketchup in my hair. My hair better not smell like ketchup for the next 2 weeks, or I'm gonna flip. Or I'm gonna eat it. Or put some mayonnaise on that. But without further ado, let's try that out. But first I need to get out my braids, so... And of course I don't want to get my beautiful t-shirt all red, so I should take care of that too. Whew. Back. Oh shit, that was the wrong snap! What did I miss? Okay, so we're really doing this. You and me. We're together. Putting ketchup in my hair. I just needed to say it out loud again, so I can reflect on what got me here. You know, life is crazy. First we need to brush the hair, brush. And I'm just gonna warn you, every hairdresser in the world that is watching this video, yes, you can say, oh my god, that bee is crazy. And you would be totally right. But you know what? I want to test it out and see if it really works. And if it does, you can thank me later. But you all know why we're doing this. We're doing this for science. You know, normally I would do sections and do that very carefully so it all gets even, but fuck it, it's ketchup. Just putting it in our hair. That was not half as satisfying as I wanted it to be. Putting down the glasses. Okay, so there's no going back. We're doing this. Why am I doing this again? Let's see how it's best to go on about... Oh god. Oh wow. Allegedly, the legends say that ketchup has enough light red pigments to cancel out the red. If this is true or not, we're gonna find out. And if it's not true, then I'm fucked. Then I am really effed. It smells nice, like ketchup. Y'all would think that this is kind of disgusting. And you're kind of right. But if it works, I'm gonna be shocked. Is that some nice hair ASMR for you? I wonder if someone is doing that. pulling ketchup into my hair. ASMR. It's definitely staining the gloves, so maybe this will work after all. So I wake in the morning and I get my ketchup and I turn it all up in my hair. I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Okay, so on the internet they said you should let this in for 30 minutes. But I'm gonna give this pigment a real chance here, alright? So I'm gonna leave it in for 1 hour. Absolute mad lad. So we'll see each other in 1 hour after I washed this out and dried it, and then we're gonna test the results. I actually didn't know what I expected. I'm a fan of urban legends and stuff, but this shit did nothing to my hair. Like, honestly. I thought because of the pigments or the food coloring or whatnot in the ketchup, it may or may not work, but it totally didn't. Like, it's still greenish. I think I need to go back to my trusty direction toner and get some red in there, hoping that this will do anything. Even if it will stain my hair light pink, this also gonna wash out, so let's see where this is going. So I will work some more on my hair, and after I completed my new look, I'm gonna check back with you. So you beautiful people that searched in need of getting rid of the green tone in your hair know what to do and how to actually get it out. It is the next day, and what I did was going through with my vermilion red toner with a lot of conditioner, get this in my hair for 1 hour, and it looks a bit brownish, but this is going to be washed out. So you only see the greenish tint back here where I didn't apply the red very good, it seems. Yikes. But on the ends, it's very, very neutral gray now, which I very, very like. So I'm gonna rinse this out over the couple of weeks, and then it will look perfect. So yeah, that's how I got rid of my greenish gray hair, and maybe this works for you too. Until next time, bye-bye.
What if I told you